spring cleaning isn't just for your home. Your finances need a good spring cleaning too. It's a good idea to reassess your budget to make sure it still works for you. There are a few budget items you may want to deep dive into when you're doing your financial spring cleaning. First, take a look at your insurance costs. Are you paying separate car and home insurance? It may be cheaper to bundle your home and auto insurance. Be sure to check with your insurance company. Next, think about your energy costs. The weather can still be cold in the spring, so assess your home to make sure there are no areas where heat is escaping and causing your energy bill to skyrocket. Another budget item to consider is your streaming services. Do you really use all of them? Netflix, Hulu, HBO, Disney+, Peacock, and Apple TV can add up quickly. Cut it down to the ones you use the most to save some money. Finally, think about other subscriptions you pay for, like gym memberships or magazines. Do you use them regularly? If not, it's a good idea to cancel those. What other financial spring cleaning tips do you have? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.